Mm-mm. I taste the food.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn simple English sentences about cooking and breakfast routines. Let's start!
Open. I open the fridge.
I take food from the fridge. I take food from the fridge.
I wash my hands before cooking. I wash my hands before cooking.
I wash the vegetables. I wash the vegetables.
I turn on the stove. I turn on the stove. I pour water into a pot. I pour water into a pot.
I boil water. I boil water.
I fry the eggs. I fry the eggs. I slice the tomatoes. I slice the tomatoes. I peel the potatoes. I peel the potatoes. I chop the onion. I chop the onion.
I cook rice. I cook rice.
I cut the vegetables. I cut the vegetables.
I grill the chicken just like this. I grill the chicken just like this.
I cook pasta. I cook pasta.
I heat the soup.
I heat the soup.
I add salt. I add salt.
I add sugar. I add sugar. I mix the ingredients. That's how it's done. I mix the ingredients. That's how it's done. I taste the food. I taste the food.